show you the van. We're gonna voice over all of this, so it doesn't even really matter what I say. Here we have it, the 2017 Ram Promaster. There's me just flicking on the lights. There's 6 LED lights put in. We got the overhead fan. You gotta crack it open so it starts up, and it has 3 settings. Really helps ventilate the van. We've got our overhead storage cabinets over the kitchen area. And then this other one, we have a camp stove. Next, we have one of those old-fashioned pump sinks that you see in those old campers. I remember those as a kid, and it just really helps cut back on electricity. Underneath, we have our water storage. We have the clean water out back, and we have our gray water tank up front, and a cool bottle opener on the door. Next, we have our Cosway freezer fridge unit. Hooked it up to a power inverter. Everything's run through the back, and it's on a slide tray to make it real easy to access, just like that. Like I said, it hardly uses any power, and it's amazing. Got a latch on the side so it doesn't go anywhere when you're riding down the road. This is my favorite feature of the van. We have the pull-out bed here. You'll see here in a second. We got those custom-made cushions. You slap down in there, nice and easy, and it sleeps one more. Bam, that just adds one more bed for one more person. Up top there, we have actually a full-size bed. It comfortably sleeps 2 people. And it just pushes in. Down over here, we've got some storage. We've got some more storage. We have the power inverter. We've got the cord right there, the power cord that powers the fridge, and then there's some other hookups under there. Just turns the 12 to 110. Over here we have what you see in every van life van, the swivel seat. Pretty easy to install, really comfortable. It has one more seat for gatherings. And up above where I just indicated, we have some duck canvas curtains that roll down to give you a little bit more privacy. And overhead, over the bulkhead, there's some storage. It's like a plastic tray. It actually comes built with the Sprinter van there, and that's good for shoes and pretty much anything else. It's just a nice little tray. Over here we have just a metal backsplash. You can magnet stuff to that, help hold spice jars, notes, whatever have you. We have a window here. It actually slides open. Show you right there, slides open, get a little bit of a breeze. We put that in. We also have a window that we put in the door that tilts open. We're gonna take there's another angle at the tilt window. It's nice to have a window open when it's raining and not worry about anything coming in. We're moving around to what people like to call the garage. We got some storage down here. These are actually more window coverings or curtains. They've got magnets in the sides, so they actually stick to the metal frame and help give you privacy. They're not permanent. Here we have the tie downs to help out with some storage. We got a little pop-up tent there. That's the bed tray. Got a table over that, and then here's the battery. We got a deep cell battery. You got your battery monitor, tells you what your battery life is. We got fuses so we don't have any accidents. Here we have the battery isolator. Charges the main battery first and then the secondary battery, so when you run low you can just turn the car on and let it charge up. Hope you like my van.